Hello editors, today I'm going to show you 5 cool CCs that can make your edits look 10 times better. These CCs can be used for football clips, anime edits, and movie edits. Just choose the one that matches your editing style. Without further ado, let's dive right into it.
I got packs that are never on me. I got caps and they tellers on beat. Ain't Tottenham, but I got gunners on me. And please got 100 on me. Spend more than 100 on me. And I spend more than 100 on me. Let's count cause I ain't on 100 on me. I'm way too complacent. Where's my plan? Got better chasing. Roll like 50 and chasing stuff around.
Cammino é estriata e difícil. Cammino.
I got packs that are never on me. I got caps and they tellers on beat. Ain't Tottenham, but I got gunners on me. And please got 100 on me. Spend more than 100 on me. And I spend more than 100 on me. Let's count cause I ain't on 100 on me. I'm way too complacent. Where's my plan? Got better chasing. Roll like 50 and chasing stuff around. Watching the play.
Cammino é estriata e difícil. Cammino.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below what I should do next.